So children, this is the second map. This map has the water bodies and especially the lake that I just missed out in the previous video. Okay, so we're going to begin with the lake only. So again, the water, the color that will be used here will be the blue. We'll be doing the shading with the blue. Instead of shading the whole water body area, we'll just do the symbolic shading. Okay, now symbolic shading will with the help of the blue. So we are going to begin these water bodies. We have Lake Titicaca, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Grand Bay, should be Grand Bay, then Strait of Magellan, Panama Canal, and we are going to mark the Isthmus of Panama also there, Rio de la Plata, and Gulf of Venezuela. These are the water bodies that we are going to mark. Okay, so let us begin with the Lake Titicaca. So, children, Lake Titicaca is the highest lake situated in the Andes Mountain, and it is a highest navigational commercial lake. Okay, so it's used for navigation, and it's one of the commercial lake which is used for transporting and trading and other things, right? So this we'll put a small dot. Uh, for that, I just want ki let me just zoom this. If you can, I just want to zoom it. Okay, so if you can see there's a small dot over this place. Let me put the spotlight. This is Lake Titicaca. Okay, we're going back to zero. Uh, okay, we're going back to zero. What has happened to this? Okay, now it's fine. So let us begin with Lake Titicaca. I hope you all have noticed where is Lake Titicaca. So I'm putting a small dot over here. This is Lake. This is Lake Titicaca. Let me use a transparent one. This is Lake Titicaca. We immediately put an arrow so that it becomes easy for us to keep it in mind. So this is Lake Titicaca. This is Titicaca Lake. The next one is Pacific Ocean. So I just told you that we'll be doing the symbolic coloring. So you can just make a circle over here like this, and you can write Pacific Ocean. Just make a circle like this, shade it with blue, and write it Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. The next one we're going to do, this is the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean is right from the top till bottom. This, okay. This is North Atlantic Ocean. This is South Atlantic Ocean. This is Mid Atlantic Ocean. So these are the three Atlantic Oceans. This is North. This is Mid. And this one is uh, and this one is South Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so this is Atlantic Ocean. Then we have to mark the Grand Bay. So to mark the Grand Bay, it is to understand it properly. Grand Bay, it's very easy. Here we have, let me take the spotlight. See, if you can see, these are Falkland Islands. This is the mainland of South America. This is Tierra del Fuego. So between the Falkland Islands and the Tierra del Fuego is Grand Bay. So again, what you can do is you'll make a small circle like this, and then you're going to put the arrow. Okay, this is Grand Bay. Okay, Grand Bay. It should be Grandy Bay. It's there. There's a small spelling error. Please uh, edit it. Grandy Bay. Then the next one that we're going to mark, Strait of Magellan. Again, Strait of Magellan. Now this is the mainland of South America, and this is Tierra del Fuego. Between Tierra del Fuego and this mainland, there is a small space over here. You will check out when you'll see the map closely. That is actually a strait. Okay, a narrow stretch of water. That is actually Strait of Magellan. How we are going to mark is we are just going to use the blue color and just do it like this there. Okay, though I've mistakenly done wrong. This is Strait of Magellan, this. Okay, so you'll shade it with the blue color, and then we'll mark it, Strait of Magellan. So this is Strait of Magellan over here. Then next one is Panama Canal. Panama Canal, can you see this? This is, first of all, let me tell you what is Isthmus of Panama. I'll be using the brown color to mark the Isthmus of Panama. See, sorry, it is using, I should use brown color. This is Isthmus of Panama actually. Okay, you can use brown color for this because we are marking the land area. This is Isthmus of Panama. Let me mark it. Let me mark it as Isthmus of Panama. Yeah, this is the arrow. And I think we should take the arrow from here. This is Isthmus of Panama. And then this curve, if you see this curve, what you'll do, you will put a, I'm sorry, let me choose the correct color. You will use a blue color and you'll put a slash over here like this. This is actually Panama Canal, the curve over here. Okay, look into your map closely, and this is Panama Canal. Then we have to mark Rio de la Plata. Rio de la Plata is this place. Again, we'll be using a blue color to shade this area. Let me narrow down the tip. This is Rio de la Plata. This whole part is Rio de la Plata. The river Parana, along with its tributaries, merge here into Atlantic Ocean. So this spot is known as Rio de la Plata. This is Rio de la Plata. Rio, R-I-O-D, La, Rio de La Plata, Plata. And the last one, which is left, is Gulf of Venezuela. This is Gulf of Venezuela. This this is Gulf of Venezuela. Okay. So again, we are going to use the blue color over here. This, can you see this structure? Gulf is actually an encountered water body towards the land, and this is Gulf of Venezuela. We are going to draw an arrow over here, and then we stretch this arrow from here. No, I think this is a bad idea. Uh, Gulf of Venezuela is this. I'll write it down here only. Gulf of Venezuela. I think it's correctly done. So now let us revise. So all the water bodies have been marked. Let us quickly revise. The first one is Lake Titicaca. The first one is Lake Titicaca. This is Lake Titicaca. Next one is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Then Atlantic Ocean. So I told you there were Atlantic Ocean is the north, mid, and south. Then Grand Bay. Please check the spelling. Again, I'm reminding you. Strait of Magellan. Then the next one is Panama Canal. Then the next one is Rio de la Plata. Last one is Gulf of Venezuela. So these are the different water bodies that surround the land of South America. So here with this, I log out. Okay. Thank you, children. Now the map, we are left with the mountains, the grasslands, and the basins. We're doing it in the next maps. So thanks a lot, everyone. Bye bye.